Hello, it's Cat and Sham again. Say hey, Sham. Her name Lil Durl.
My name Lil Sham.
So we have found us another person to make a video for us. We are going to do the cinnamon challenge. Let me see if I can turn this camera around. You can't turn around? Okay. So Deanna's gonna do Deanna's gonna do the cinnamon challenge. Say hello. Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
I can't
dark. It's dark. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. So I can't turn the camera back around, but show them your cinnamon. It's gonna be. And she's gonna do her teaspoon. She's gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
I don't know yet. Go back to that.
Let me see.
Jeez, cup over there too.
All right, ready?
Hold on. Let me get my cup. Oh my God.
You ready? Is that enough?
There needs to be some more.
It's a mountain.
A little bit more.
Pour it on there because
It's not.
Somebody want to do it? You can't swallow it.
Okay.
You gotta try.
All right. Now she has her teaspoon of cinnamon. And all right, let's go.
I am.
Swallow.
Okay.
You can't drink before.